Hello Rushden. Well, it's not exactly the light switch on of 2020 we'd got planned, but we've still got one. Before we do it, I'd like to say a huge thank you to all the lighting elves. That includes all the volunteers, the councillors and the members of the staff who have put hours in for 9 months to make sure we're ready for this fabulous display. Now I've got a special message for all the children out there. I know some of you are worried about Father Christmas, but don't worry, he's keeping safe. He's looking after Rudolph, Dasher and Prancer and all the other reindeers, and he's going to make sure he comes out to see you on Christmas Eve. So, without further ado, shall we get down to what we're here for? So, in true Thunderbird style, are you ready to help me with the countdown? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rushden, we have lights. Merry Christmas.